Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add products on your wish list on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Etsy app on your phone. Now make sure you have installed a updated version of Etsy app, and then you have simply signed in as well. Then you're going to be going to the section of deals or the gifts, or simply search in the product that you would like to buy. For example, I'm going to be searching perfume, and then once you have got the perfume that you would like to buy, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will find this kind of intersection where you can see add to cart or buy it now. It's simply given over here for you to simply add it. Now for me, I want to add it to my wish list. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be simply tapping on the share icon. Then from there, I'm going to tapping on this little favorite icon. And now once I do that, I will have my save to favorite section open up where I would like it to be saved. I'm going to choose a list that I have created already. I'm going to choose that one, and I'm going to add the product to there. I'm going to tap on it, and here I will be able to check out the listing that I have and the product that I have added over here. I can also tap on this little edit icon so I can edit it out according to my list, according to my requirement. Tap on save, and there we go. I will be able to add my products over there, and that's how easy it is to be doing so. Right, so when you go to your gifts, you will be able to check out your list, and there you go, you will have your products over there as well. That is how easy it is to do so. Hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.